This clinical trial sponsor was running a study where their medical device required insulin requirements, meaning that patients that were on insulin already, they needed to continue to access that insulin in a clinical study. And the sponsor wanted to pay for it for all patients. Instead of the patients that were on the insulin to continue using their insurance, we all know in the public sphere the cost of insulin. The sponsor decided to make it easier for patients to access the insulin when they participate in the study. The sponsor had a couple choices. They could have essentially bought all the insulin, which would be challenging because every patient's insulin requirements and needs are different. And so what is another patient-centric way that the patients can directly access the insulin and make it easier for the patient without having to travel back to the site? They deployed our CTRx prescription card service in the US, where patients already routinely see their trusted pharmacist at a pharmacy. They were able to pay for the insulin using our prescription card, and they're able to get the insulin as they normally would, but without the financial burden of it. This study enrolled faster than the sponsor's expectations, and it made it easier for the patient and provided a patient-centric experience in terms of how they were able to access the medication directly themselves in the trial.